So I'm back after a couple of days break. I left the car for a wee while there just to settle off and give me a wee rest as well. There's a wee bit of flash rust down the bottom here, just come back, not the whole thing. What I'll do is I'm going to use metal prep again and properly use the cleaner degreaser. I can't believe I used panel wipe on my last spray bottle, never mind, I will label it next time. It's what happens when you're caught up in the heat at the moment. And I'm going to use my wire wheel, just very gently and very slowly, and work any remains of pitted rust or whatever out of the metal and get it all cleaned up. Hopefully I don't send sparks flying into my camera lens. Anyway, I better go on with this work, get this job done. I'll put it on a time lapse and hopefully you'll see a difference in the front of the car as I work through the day before I get the kids from school. Then all hell breaks loose. Thank you for watching. Have a banana. See you in the time lapse. Nuts in your Volvos, told a tale on you. Watertight the garage. Yeah. Okay, so I've air hosed it all off and you'll see it turning a kind of chalky white colour, very slightly, but it's rough as can be everywhere, and that's PR15 done its job. Okay, so I've got the metal prep done, PR15. There's like a couple of wee bits of flash rust coming through. It's not significant, it's just a wee tiny bit. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this. It's a high speed grinder with a wire wheel on top. And of course the all important safety goggles, and you really need something like this, wrap around safety goggles. Okay, so that's that step done. I've cleaned it up, a couple of wee bits and all the edges. I'm going to go in it with a finer wire wheel just to get that all cleaned out. I think it's come up quite well. But still get the squeeze, still got a wee bit of the roughness there. Okay, so I'm going to move on to this bit now. Bit of old tacky metal. What's happening here is it's corroded through. You'll see with you'll see the sort of holes around here, so that's got to go. So we're going to cut this out and stick a new piece of metal in. Okay, so my coal bunker's covered in a lot of stuff to go to the dump. Having a spring clean in the summer. So what I've done is I've taken a disgusting little bit of charcoal that was remaining in the barbecue. Anyway, it doesn't matter, it's just to make a mark on the paper. So get your hands nice and dirty, put that in like so, okay, and then draw roughly the edge, like so. So I'm going to be taking it to about there, right? Yeah, dirty work. Right, so still baffles me where all those pens went. Right, so I'm going to make that in a wee bit there. Always make it slightly bigger. You know what I mean. Alright, so yeah, dirty mess. Okay, so I'll just take a pair of scissors. Cut this out. Now, scissors is another thing in the house. Oh dear. Okay. I knew I'd stashed a pair of scissors by. Kept them hidden away from the kids because these things are gold dust as well in the house. They walk. Wee buggers, so they are laughing my bits, but anyway, so I'm just going to make a mock cut, right? Slightly more than what is actually there, okay? So, just like that. Maybe I should have been an artist, eh? Don't give up your day job. Okay, so just a rough cut, right? Get these out of the road. Okay, so you kind of see the rough idea. I got this the right way. Yes, of course I do. And that's really what we're looking for. And then I can shape the metal from there. So, quite simply, now I need something to score it. I will take, you know, it's all about improvising sometimes as well. Take a wee screwdriver, just a wee small flat tip one. Okay, what side will I do? Doesn't really matter, does it? Right, okay, I'm going here because I've got a wee edge. So, as I say, the cut doesn't have to be absolutely bang on yet, because I can get around it with my flat wheel before finally fitting it. Doesn't matter, we're just making a few quick cuts in this anyway. So don't be afraid to bend the metal up slightly. You know, it can always be hammered and dollied back down. You know, it's not that hard to do this sort of work. If you've got the patience, it's a wee bit time consuming. That'll be okay. Right, so it goes that way. So this is going to get folded up, right? And then say I'll finish it off with a hammer and dolly. Just put that in there. Okay. And just bend it up a wee bit, right? I didn't get my porridge this morning. Okay, so I want to try and get this done on the floor, to be honest. This looks right a wee bit again. It'll just fit, there you go. So it's just a wee bit of coaxing it needs sometimes. That's looking pretty bang on, to be honest. This bit here, I just need to close the gap a bit. So that needs to curve slightly that way. So let me just take the rolly pattern. Working 9 to 10, ain't no way to make a living. So bye bye kneecaps. I'd be better doing it here, I think, eh? Okay, turn it around and then you see a slight curve, and that's all you need. Let's get a wee bit closer now. I think I'm going to just, I'll take that way. I can just bend this bit with my hands. Unitons. I think that should be pretty much, there you go. Okay, the gap is closed. Okay, so quick score. And this is where I'm going to take it out. So that sniper thing, take it out. Okay, just enough. Right. And then I can clean it up. So I fit it. There you go. So you'll see the line going up and round. That's what I'm taking away. So I'll just nibble up with my snips or something and get into that because I can access it now. I totally forgot I had this fabulous little tool, little multi-tool for getting into hard to reach places. So I'm glad I just looked in my toolbox there. Alright, probably just bend this bit up and slice it off, then we'll file it off. There we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching again, and we shall carry on. I need a coffee. The cup's empty. So, see you in the next video. Thanks again. Bye.